12:11 p.m. Extended, Monday, surf heights 2 to 3 feet. Mostly cloudy. Highs in the low. This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida out 20 nautical miles, waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Butler Beach, or 8 nautical miles southeast of St. Augustine, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include St. Augustine Beach, Butler Beach, and St. Augustine. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach out 60 nautical miles. The surf zone forecast. A moderate risk of rip currents today.